Alright, well, let's go. Later, Zeus. Later, Loki's. Alright, where are we going here? Red light, green light. Alright, let's wait. Look you around. You know what? I like this bike. I installed the Delkevic 8-inch mini exhaust, and you know, with the baffle in, it's still really loud, louder than I would have liked, but it sounds like amazing. You know, it's kind of hard finding an exhaust online because you hear YouTube clips and all that, but you can't really tell what it sounds like in person. It's hard to reproduce that sound, but you know what, sounds great. If for those of you that want like an extremely loud exhaust, take the little baffle out and I'm sure you'll get what you want. You know, with the baffle in, it's still loud for my taste, but it does sound nice. You know, just sometimes I wish it was quieter, you know, but it does sound really nice. So can't complain too much. If I really didn't like it at all, I would have returned it or swapped it. You know, swapped it out and put back the original, or already bit the bullet and, you know, bought the new a new 14-inch one. But nope, I got the 8-inch and it's okay. Yeah, this thing does get up and go. It's pretty quick. Not super sport quick, but you know, for what they consider to be a pretty much beginner's bike, this thing's amazing. I wouldn't really call it a beginner's bike, but it is beginner friendly. So someone with a little bit more experience, and probably more than myself, have a good time on this bike. I'm not exactly a newbie. I've been riding for about 10 years, but I haven't put that many miles in those 10 years. I've probably ridden, let me calculate this, 5, 6, 3, 11, 14,000 miles in those 6 years. So as you can tell, you know, in those 10 years, not much. You know, but amateur riding, definitely. The last couple years, I've been riding a lot more commuting to work. So early on, outside of the first 2,000 miles I put on my first motorcycle, which I did it like in maybe a month. Ever since then, I pretty much ride rarely, if that. So, but yeah, good bike. Also got the Puig, you know, windscreen, which has some bug debris already on there. And that thing makes my commute so much more comfortable because now I don't have air hitting me right here in my chest. You know, it hits me on the top of my helmet, which is not great. weight, and I can't wear my half helmet because it creates, the draft kind of picks up my helmet, lifts it, so that's uncomfortable. But with the full face helmet, which I'm wearing now, really comfortable. Like, the air hits me in my forehead and just kind of slides over the helmet.